here are the strips. These are for your upper teeth and these are for your bottom teeth. I saw a girl on TikTok saying that if you cut them in half, you actually get more product for your money and your teeth will be less sensitive. I did try these a couple years ago and I remember my teeth were super sensitive. So we are going to try this hack to see if it works. So I'm gonna put this on my upper teeth. Just like this. And then we are gonna cut the bottom one. Yeah. And we will be back in 22 days for the results. Hi guys, we are back and here are the results. I applied a treatment every single day for about 44 minutes and then I had 2 1-hour express treatment. These really stayed to my teeth and I feel like cutting them in half really helped with the sensitivity. It may be because it doesn't go like under your teeth and that's where it normally hurts. And also no one sees the back of your teeth. So if you want more for your money and less sensitivity, I would definitely try this hack. Here is my before and after picture. You can clearly see a noticeable difference. So if you want a professional whitening treatment at home, I would highly suggest the Crest 3D Whitestrips.